Right guys, welcome back. This is like part 8 of the kx85 series. Sorry about the barnet, it's absolute shot to bits in a minute. I need to get a haircut. But yeah, and I've got a cold, which is, it's this time of the year, so yeah, can't really be moaning. But yeah, this video is going to be cleaning the forks. I'm going to be getting these cleaned. Oil seals don't need to be changed, they're not split or anything, they just need to be pulled out, cleaned and reinstalled. And yeah, let's get these forks cleaned. I'll chuck you up on my little tripod, and yeah, let's get to work. As you can see, they are a bit dirty at the minute, so yeah, take that seal off, and then yeah, give these a good clean. Same with the other one, take the cover off, and then yeah, I'll put you on my tripod, and yeah, let's get these cleaned. Right guys, so that's the first fork cleaned. Big difference to what obviously it used to look like. Yeah, let's get the second fork cleaned. Right guys, that is the second fork complete. Both forks are now cleaned. They're looking mint. Took me like 20 minutes to clean up, but yeah, worth it. Went over it with a scotch pad. Yeah, brushed it down, just got all the dirt off of it basically. Need to put that cover back on, and then put the brackets on to hold that in place. And yeah. Right guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, feel free to subscribe, like the video, do what you have to do. And yeah, that is the forks complete. Another thing ticked off the list. And if you want to go see more videos, watch more videos on my YouTube channel, feel free, go back. And yeah, I've got like 7 parts on this kx85 series, and there's going to be lots more videos coming out soon. Every week I'm going to be posting, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.